Welcome to Dashcam Info. My name is Dirk, and in today's video we're checking out the Vantrue Element 1. This is the 2.5K version. There is another version available, an upgraded one, 4K, with a Starvis 2 sensor, but for today's video this is the one we're testing. This retails at $129, but very often you'll find it on sale for 99 bucks. What I like about the power adapter is that you have a USB through port, so you can connect other devices as well. It comes with this little device, and what this does is it activates voice control. This is something I don't want and I don't like, but if you want that, here it is. Why I don't want that is because voice control can also accidentally pick up daily conversations that you're having in your car and act out on that. And it can suddenly stop or save videos when you don't want them. We're not going into installation because it is so simple to set it up. You simply put the electrostatic tape on your windshield, peel off the 3M tape protection film, and then press it against the windshield. And yes, you connect it with the USB-C port to the power adapter. What I really like about it is that it is so small. It's really not in your face. It is a beautiful small dash cam. Here is the footage by day. I personally think that the daytime footage is really great. We have fantastic colors, a good saturation, and also good clarity and detail. It's 2.5K. What I like is it comes as an MP4 file, easily to play back on your phone and also on your PC. And it is 30 frames per second, so it's better than the 24 FPS that you get on the cheap Chinese models. So you have a more smooth video playback, and overall the image quality is really good. And now, of course, I also want to show you footage by night. At night, well, it could be better, but for 99 bucks, there's not much more you can ask for. I think overall, this is amazing for the money. And therefore, I can personally recommend it. This is not a sponsored video. I had to buy this with my own money, but I think it's worth it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'll definitely respond. Till the next time, stay safe, stay tuned, and take care. Bye for now.